Sunday, folks, we are back at it once again. You see where we're at, out here on the Harpeth River again, on the Harpeth Loop to be exact. Folks, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload these videos, all right? But I appreciate you all so much for tuning in. We're about to get into it. Let's do it. I was not recording the first fish of the day. We just caught him. I appreciate this little rock bass getting on. Peace out, buddy. How's it going? Pretty good. How about yourself? Yeah, I just caught one. Yeah, just got in. Fish number 2 of the day. Another little rock bass. Appreciate him getting on. They're snapping it up right now. There you go. Folks. Nope, I got you. Nope, I got you. I got you, buddy. Nope, I got you. I got you. There you go. Fish number 2 of the day, folks. You see him. Another little rock bass. Appreciate him. Peace. That's what you got to watch out for right there, folks. See that water moccasin going across right there. Just let him have his space. Come on, come on, come on, come on. First smallmouth of the day, folks. Try not to let him get away. Oh, I got you. Got you, fella. First smallmouth of the day, folks. Appreciate him getting on. He is strong, too. You see him? He'd have a good little fight right here. Appreciate him getting on. Fish number 3 of the day. Peace out, buddy. Come here. God bless it. Caught that. Come here. Fish number 4 of the day. Little smallmouth. Appreciate you. Woo, fish number 4 of the day, folks. You see him? Little smallmouth. Appreciate him getting on. Oh yeah, you're mine now, buddy. Appreciate you, buddy. Peace out. All right, folks, it's time to get out of here. Appreciate you all tuning in. Had a great day out here on the Harpeth as usual. And folks, if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload these videos. All right, folks? But had a great time out here. Appreciate you tuning in. Remember, folks, there's a lot of river out there. Catch y'all on the next boat flip. Peace.